Hi, I'm there marking the mock exam, and an idea just came to me because I was verifying the solution for one of the questions. We went for number 28. We had to make the subject of the formula for each. And I just typed it in ChatGPT and just to verify the answer, it's h over 2a over b because you have to multiply by 2 and divide by b. So h is equal to 2a divided by b. No, an idea just came to me. So I was saying, what if I type in ChatGPT, can you write a multiple choice exam for module 1 of the CTEC mathematics syllabus? Thank you. And it goes on to say, here's a multiple choice exam based on typical topics from CTEC mathematics module 1, which is numbers, algebra, percentages, ratios, basic sets, and simple equations. And here we have a complete exam. Let me see how many questions it gave. Put 15 questions and here's the answers. If you want, I can also turn this into a printable paper, add harder questions, or create a mock exam with timing and marking scheme. Okay, so you can use that to practice for your module 1, and for example, if you have difficulty understanding, for example, why the solution is 3 for number 4, you can tell it, for example, explain the solution for question number 4, for example. And here it will tell you, well, to solve, you have to subtract from both sides 3, because 3 is adding, so you subtract 3 from both sides, and then you divide by 2, and the correct option is B. So therefore, when you're solving and also when you're making the subject of the formula, you have to do the opposite operation. So the opposite operation of plus is minus, and the opposite operation of multiply is divide. So that's why you subtract 3 on both sides and you divide by 2 on both sides. So you can use that to further your practice for module 1. Okay, you can ask for 30 questions, I suppose, and you can ask for harder questions. Okay, so for example, let us ask it for one with 30 questions, including graph, introduction to graphs, because introduction to graphs is a topic in module 1. Including 30 questions, harder questions, and the topic introduction to graphs, because I realized it missed it. Introduction to graphs is the topic. Let's verify the topics. So we can click on the document module 1, focus on module 1. And here we have the syllabus. And we've got introduction to graphs, algebra 1, measurements, sets, Let's make sure that these topics are there. Number theory, consumer arithmetic, introductory graphs, algebra 1, measurements, sets, okay, because it's 6 topics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Consumer arithmetic and number theory. Here is a more advanced 30-question multiple choice exam for CTEC Math for the one covering graphs, algebra 1 measurement sets, consumer arithmetic, and number theory. And here you've got it. And you can ask it to explain any one of them that you don't understand. For example, here, make y the subject. Here you have to add 2x because 2x is subtracting, so you add 2x and then you divide by 3. So the answer must be y, 6 plus 2x, and all divided by 3, etc. So please do that to enhance your preparation for your final exam. And as you can see, group it up by topics. And plus you have the answer key. Yeah.